It's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Woo! Oh, I had so much trouble getting this tent up. There's almost a 3-foot elevation difference from this side to this side. This wood is covered in ice and is soaking wet. It's going to be really hard to light, so I'm splitting it in the hopes that it'll burn a little bit better. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. Nobody calls me that. Melting snow is such a pain.